Hello, welcome to my channel. Please subscribe my channel first and share my videos. Thank you. We are now looking to Bitcoin Gold. A subscriber write me, please can you analyze this? I will make this. I have no time, and let's look how much this is will go to the top side. This is very impressive here. You see the price is coming from 500. Let's look if this is really 500 or more in this area. Let's look. Um, yes, I think this is $10. Please correct me if I say here anything wrong. For me, is this price $10? Yeah. If you see other prices here, please write me. So let's look here. The price was $500 or no more $1,000, and then this is going to $400. Now this is $10. Why the prices are falling so much? Let's look if we have an opportunity to go to the top side. So let's look. We have here a solid base. Yeah, I think we touch this one time, two time, three time. We have here a falling channel. Yeah, the channel is falling here in this area. So you see here the channel is going closer and closer, and I think we have a good opportunity to go to the top side. But every some anything have to trigger this chart or the price. Yeah, we see here similar other cryptos. We touch this line one time, two time, three time, and now this is the time to break to the top side. Let's look more in detail here. What happened in this corner? You see, we touch this line, then something like similar movement like Bitcoin. Yeah, if you look to this here, we have similar movement. So I think we will go to the top side, left shoulder head and the right shoulder. And if we make this pattern here in this area, you see the falling price here. So for us, it's important that we can break this here. So imagine we can break this to the top side, something like that. I see also positive signs here, so that we can go to the top side. And you see we have a good pattern here, so I think it makes sense that we go to the top side. Yeah. Let's look. If I see this here, let's look. This is positive, but for short term, it can be possible that we maybe once testing these low levels. Yeah, it can be possible because we have here also good formation. Yeah, but keep this in the mind that we can test the $6.70. Let's do the positive thing that we go to this area. Yeah, we have a resistance line in this area. Test these levels here, something like that. Yeah, if we can test these levels, then we have enough power to go to the top side. Yeah, then the price will not fall into the downside, and then we can open a new channel here, something like that, and go to the top side. Yeah, let's look. Maybe we can test here the third time. We touch this one time, two time, three time, and at the third time we go to the top side. If this happened, you see we have a wonderful formation here, and it makes sense to go to the top side. But I will make let's make a step back and then look if this makes sense or not. If I look to this here, the price is going to the downside. Yeah, you see here, it can be happened. Let's look here. If we go to this area, then it can happen that we not go to the top side, we go to the downside. I explain you this because you see here also fake outbreak. So let's take this as a fake outbreak. We will go to the downside, something like that. And after that, you see here very good formations. Yeah, the price is going here in the downside, and it can be possible that we test this again, the 6. Yeah, if we're not falling here, we will fall here in this area. So then let's count the lows here. We have 1 time, 2 time, 3 time. Yeah, I think after that it makes more sense here, something like that. Yeah, because then the triangle is also fulfilled. If we go to the downside, you see we have this trend here, and let's look more in detail, and you see we have a good opportunity that we can break the channel in this area, July, October. Yeah, because I have to look more in detail. We have it here, also a negative channel. We break this negative channel, so I think this is the one opportunity. I think if we take this here as a support line, then this will go in this area, that the price is not falling in this area. Yeah, then you see something like that. Let's look here if this makes sense. Yeah, for me it makes sense because we have the left shoulder head and the right shoulder, so I think we have a good possibility to go to the top side. The conclusion is, I think we have the opportunity to go in this way to the top side. Yeah, because we have here a huge left shoulder head and a right shoulder. Or this is opportunity 1, or the opportunity 2 is that we make these moves in this area, something like that. Yeah, I zoom in, that we stay at this negative channel and make moves in this direction. So then you can forget this, and we have the chance to go to the top side, something like that. Yeah, it can also possible because we have here left shoulder head and the right shoulder. It can be possible that we can break this. Yeah, I think this scenario 2 is more possible because we have to break this, and it makes no sense if we not testing this area. So we have to test this area and go to the top side. And after that, I think if we can break this level, then $40 is visible. And after that, if you break the $40, then next step is $80. Yeah, I think it's a good possibility to go higher prices. So I think it is possible. Let's look, we have to break these levels, then we can say more in this area. Yeah, have a nice day. See you later.